Hey, my name is Sarah. Thanks for stopping by my channel. In over 16 years, never have I ever made a video specifically designated and designed for one SPF. Until now, because this one is more innovative and cutting edge than any of the other ones I've come across. And the reason I had to make this video was to share with you the ingredients that sets this sunscreen apart from others. It's not just a sunscreen, you're also getting anti-aging benefits. There's a tinted and a non-tinted. It's lightweight, it doesn't feel like sunscreen, and it layers perfectly over any serums and moisturizers you might already be using. But this is a good one to consider when you're wanting something that's highly effective but really lightweight. So ISDIN is the product line, and this is a Spanish company. This is a non-tinted version, and this is the tinted version. The main difference between the two of these is that this contains peptide Q10, and as well as another peptide complex to help with fine lines and wrinkles and elasticity. Both of them contain this magical ingredient, which is called DNA repairsomes. And what that does is help repair damage that's already been done, as well as containing other antioxidants. Like I said, it's 100% minerals. It was voted by Shape Magazine as 2023's best sunscreen. So lots of goodness attached to these sunscreens. It's 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, and I'm about to unbox it so you can see what it's all about and exactly how to use it, because you want to shake this up quite a bit. It separates while it's sitting in the container. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Let's go with tinted, right? So you can see how it massages in. The thing about these sunscreens that I love is that they are meant for every skin type. Oftentimes I'll try a sunscreen, I'm like, that's a little heavy, that's gonna be better for a drier person. You can hear there's a little metal ball in there. You shake it really, really well, and then pop the top off. And what I like about this as well is that it's not too feminine, so somebody who is a little more masculine is gonna be really comfortable having this on their shelf. They might not want the tinted version unless you wanna get all the benefits. So I'm going with about the size of a dime, and you wanna rub it together and then just massage it in. I have makeup on, so I'm not gonna put it on my face, but I want you to see how perfectly it rubs in, and then I'll put it on my arm too. And I guess let's just do my hand, why not? Any excess product I ever have left over, I run it down my neck and then the tops of my hands, right? Because age is always being shown on our hands, so. All right, so that is the tinted version, rubs right in. So if you're a man and you wanna get all the benefits of the peptides, the peptide complex, and then the peptide Q10, then feel free going for this one. Or just somebody who, I don't know, wants all the anti-aging benefits. This is the other one. So this is the non-tinted, and it is a little confusing because this has like the orangey box and the other one has the silver box. You would think it'd be reversed, but it's not. Give it a good shake, really important. And then one of the ways you can apply this, just so that you know you're using the right amount, is to just do a little line on your ring finger. And then I actually do it like on my middle finger, and that is enough. So again, whether you wanna just like, it's very, people are like, it's very runny. I'm like, yes, it's very lightweight. It barely, I mean, it doesn't smell like sunscreen. It's just like a dream. I hate to say it, but it's kind of true. I don't get this excited about SPF ever. Because here's my thing. If you wanna use all the great products, then you're going to be cherry picking from different companies for some of the best. And so when you do that, you're going to have your antioxidant serum probably. And then you may have something to even your skin out. Or maybe you're using something for acne, or maybe you're using something for hydration, right? So then you're gonna layer that on top of your antioxidant. Then you would just put this on top and either be done or put your makeup over top. So hopefully this information is valuable to you. If it is, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and I'll catch you soon. Thanks so much for watching.